This one for
meat.
This
For
one
dry nuts.
dry
Nuts. Dry nuts.
dry mass dry spicy. And this one
Here, blender, make juice.
make juice.
Yes.
No, see.
Okay. You use for meat,
Oh,
for
this
one piece, the inside. Don't over this line. Under the 5 seconds. Okay.
again,
Yes.
again. I want to see again.
Done.
Okay. And
This for dry nuts. This one. You use. Don't over. Don't over this line. This power make the flat the inside. Don't overheat. Yes.
this one. And this one.
Okay, I try for you. For dry nuts.
No.
Okay. This side, okay? This cup to put for the inside. This cup or this cup
Oh, same.
for one piece for the blender. You know? Blender, one piece for a blender.
Also can use this
Yes.
one.
This are for babies. For babies.
For baby.
Yes.
And this one
This
also
one, yes.
blender.
Yeah, the
Oh,
one.
same.
Right, this one.
Same.
One piece for blender. Okay? And then
This
this
one.
cup cannot. You put this knife the inside. You take up this net. This are 4 people the blender.
Or this one.
1 people the blender. Okay?
One people blender. This
4
one.
people blender. This net inside. This small cup cannot. So make juice. Make juice.
Oh, I do like that.
Okay. Okay lor. You know?
Oh, that's all.
Okay.